Sports Minister Jitendra Singh has backed the tough action coming in from the IOC. Jitendra Singh has backed the stance on clean governance and ethics, saying that tainted officials must have no role to play whatsoever in the administration of sport. The minister has also said his top priority is to ensure that Indian athletes can compete under the Indian flag.
See, as a sports minister and a sports person, it's my primary responsibility to ensure that our sportsmen contest under the Indian flag. It's our dream to hear the national anthem being played multiple times when India wins the Olympic gold in Rio 2016. So we welcome the negotiations between the IOA and the IOC. And I hope, I keep my fingers crossed, that those negotiations will be in sync with the differences.
But are you in sync, are you on the same page with the IOC on the clean governance demand, and also action should be taken against the tainted officials? As
per the sports code, age and tenure guidelines have been set and enforced. But we welcome IOC's decision that all sports administrators, all people who contest elections in sports federations should be free from criminal charges. This is the same line which we have taken. This is in sync with the proposed draft sports bill 2013.
But don't you think the administrators are putting personal ambition ahead of the country?
Yes, I urge all people concerned to put away their personal interests and look at the national interests and the interests of sports persons.
In the past and now as well, the athletes and the ministry at least seem to be on the same page. But don't you think that few individuals are trying to hijack India's return to the Olympics?
I won't really name the individuals or say anything about the individuals. It's very, very sad. I feel really very upset about it. I think the whole national interest has to be taken foremost. I won't leave any stone unturned to ensure that our sportsmen get their due and our sportsmen can contest, can take part in international events under the Indian flag.